Hi, welcome to yet another Higher Ground Church website tutorial. In this video, we're going to look at the administrative area, or what's called the back end of our Joomla-based website. Joomla is a fairly popular content management system, or CMS. Joomla makes the process of maintaining a website far easier than it used to be, and this is due in no small part to the intuitive administrative control panel. So let's go there. Let's open up a new tab in our browser, enter our highergroundchurch.org URL, highergroundchurch.org/administrator. Let's enter our user ID, our password, log in, and we open up on our administration area control panel. A word of warning here. A user in the administrative area can cause irreparable damage to the website. In other words, you can break it so that it just can't be fixed. Be very careful in what changes you make here. That having been said, 99% of our website administrative tasks are going to be related to content. So we're going to pay particular attention to the article manager and the media manager today. Let's click on the article manager. Article manager opens up. This little display selector allows us to show how many articles per page, all the way up to all. And this is all of the articles that are on our Higher Ground Church website right now. This status column, the green check means that the article has been published. That means it's visible to the public. The red dots mean that the article is currently not published. The featured column, you notice, has these blue dots with the white star. That means that the article is on the front page. It's visible on the front page. We have one that's not published, and we have two that are published. And I've covered the two that are published in a previous tutorial. So let's go and look at our test article that we created in a previous tutorial. It opens up. Here's our what you see is what you get editor. It opens up. And if we were to do any changes, like put some ellipses in there, we're going to make any changes, we're always going to want to click Save. Article successfully saved, and then we're going to save and close it. All right. From the article manager, you can create a new article. If we wanted to create another article, we just click New. And there it is. We're going to cancel this because we don't want to do that right now. We can edit from here by clicking the checkbox and coming over here and clicking this button. We can publish by clicking on this button, or we can also click here too. We can unpublish by clicking this by checking and clicking this red button. We can also trash. We can check the checkbox and then come over here and throw the article away. And it's a permanent delete. So this, in brief, is our article manager. We want to go back to our control panel. So we go over here to the Site tab, and we see there it is, Control Panel. Click on it. Now let's look at our Media Manager. Our Media Manager manages our media folders. These are the current article images that we have on our website. They're in this folder right here. We click on article images. These are the article images that came with the website template, and I haven't used them at all, but they're still here. We don't use banners. Flash images, on the other hand, are the images that are currently in our image slideshow up front. The Happy New Year, the Bible, and the baptism scene. This is an interesting example of images, of media. This is our Preach It folders. We click on audio, and here are images of a non-visual kind. These are audio MP3s. These are the sermons which we've uploaded over the past couple of years here. There's quite a few. If you wanted to, you could actually delete them from this point. This little X here, although I would not urge doing that. We have some notes that we've used for some classes in the past here. We have our series images that are alongside the sermon. And we have one image here of our pastor teacher, Pastor Dempsey. With the Media Manager, you can use this Create Folder feature to add folders to further organize the image folders that we have. You can use this Browse button to browse to your computer to grab an image and insert it into these folders. So that's the Media Manager. Let's go back to the control panel. So there you have it. There's our Article Manager and Media Manager, what you're going to be predominantly using here as a website administrator at Higher Ground Church. And you've seen the administrative control panel. It's the cockpit from which you're going to be flying the Higher Ground Church website. And I wish you happy sailing as you do. And I thank you for your attention. Oh, and I'd also like to say, the last thing you do when you're finished is come over here and click Log Out. So good luck to you in your pursuits.